In this video, I'll show you how to write better prompts for Claude AI. Writing clear prompts helps you get more accurate and useful responses. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" The first step is to be clear about what you want. Instead of asking a very general question, try to include specific details. For example, instead of typing, "Tell me about exercise," I could type, "Create a simple weekly workout plan for beginners." After typing my prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a response based on the instructions I gave. Another helpful tip is to provide context. For example, I might type, "I'm preparing for a job interview. Give me 5 common interview questions and how to answer them." You can also ask Claude to format the response in a certain way, such as a list, summary, or step-by-step guide. For example, I could type, "Give me a step-by-step guide to starting a small online store." If the response isn't exactly what I want, I can simply refine the prompt or ask follow-up questions to guide Claude toward a better answer. And that's it. By being clear, specific, and adding context, you can write better prompts and get better responses from Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.